Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Park Seo-joon and Kim Da-mi's fortune analysis. I analyzed the fortune harmony between Park Seo-joon and Kim Da-mi of Itaewon class, who are really cool characters. The two of them, who are full of personality, seems to have a lot of interesting stories coming out. What kind of harmony do they have? The letters that pointed to them are combining together. Park Seo-joon is a lovely and adaptable tree everywhere. Kim Da-mi is a strong power with positive matter, but she is very sensitive. The two letters are the words that combine when they meet. So I can finish the analysis with this. The negative tree and the positive matter combine the sensibilities and the delicacy of each other, and the strong adaptability and the strength of each other. And the letters in hearts are the letters that mean popularity. Both of them have these letters in a powerful position. They have a combination of letters pointing to them, so they have to have harmony, popularity, and wonderful works. The letters circled in blue are just below the letters that mean themselves. These letters are their feelings for their spouse. Park Seo-joon recognizes his spouse or girlfriend as cute and he needs to take care of her. Kim Da-mi wants a wonderful, charismatic spouse or boyfriend who leads, cares for, and directs her well. In this regard, one is active and the other is passive, so it seems to fit very well. The part marked in pink is the directivity of life. They have the same direction of life. Even though the letters are different, they are interested in artistic fields and have a strong sense of professionalism. They aim for activities that have their own specialty and license. In that sense, I think it is a good opportunity for them to meet in a drama called Itaewon Class, which has a unique and wonderful color of acting. The letters circled in pink are letters that tell their energy. They have the same structure of these letters. They have almost the same amount of energy leading their lives. So it doesn't seem like one person is too frustrated or one person is too inferior. Most of all, right next to letters that point to them, there are letters that mean tremendous competitiveness, pride, and drive. They never get discouraged anywhere. They are confident. Today, I analyzed the fortune harmony between Park Seo-joon and Kim Da-mi, the two main characters of Itaewon Class with their unique acting. They can be a wonderful couple because the letters pointing to them are combined. But it seems to be a good fit in that one wants to take care of his spouse or friends and the other wants to be taken care of. And it seems like a very good thing that they have the same life directivity. They will be colleagues who can show good acting as actors, but they also seem to show great harmony as a couple. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.